everybody, I am in Playa del Carmen and let's have a little walk together. I usually come here every year and I stay a few weeks. It's a nice place to nomading and let's see how it is. Now we're going to walk, we're near the beach, not too far away from the beach. Here we pass at front of a Fogon restaurant, which is a nice taqueria, maybe the best taqueria. You go there, they have really great service. I love it. It's really great place to eat. And it's located near the Mega Soriana. Let's continue. Don Sorleon is another taqueria, but I've never been there. And that's Don Sorleon. Is it good to be a digital nomad in Playa del Carmen? Yeah, it's a fine place to be a digital nomad here. You have a few co-working places, and that's great if you have to print documents. Internet is really great. There is a restaurant called Smash Burger. It's not a gourmet burger place, but if you live around here, if you rent a place around here, it's a good place to eat sometime, to take away some food. So in here, you have a few co-working space. I've been in some of them. You pay like 250 pesos for the day. And then that's kind of okay. Now I am walking toward the Quinta Mall. It's one of the few malls in the center of Playa del Carmen. Those malls, they are like maybe 3 small malls like this. It's really touristy stuff. I've been in the Quintana Mall just one time. It's not so great. There's not many things to do, to buy there. There's another place if you are nomading here, like you stay 1 month or more. It's called Las Americas, and it's a really huge place. And there it's much better. It's a bit far away, like from the center. If you walk, it's like maybe half an hour, but it's worth it. That's when I stay here. That's where I go. Prices are better. You have more choice. It's just the place to go if you stay in Playa del Carmen. So you can see we're approaching that Quinta Alegria mall, and over the span of many years, I've been just one time in that place. It's not a great place, to be honest with you. It's kind of a boring mall. Yeah, so that's the Quinta Alegria shopping mall. Not so great, maybe. It's really for tourists. Now, if you hesitate, if you have to decide, should I go to Playa del Carmen or should I go to Puerto Escondido? I will tell you the difference. Playa del Carmen is really a party place, beach town, Caribbean style, clear sea, and it's a drug and party town. Like people will approach you in the street and they will ask you, do you want some weed? Do you want some coke? You want some pills? It's really like that here. Puerto Escondido is a chill, quiet surfing place. However, the internet quality is much better here. And also Playa del Carmen, here you have all sorts of food. Like you have over there, you have like, you know, organic salad stuff, and you have many vegan, all sorts of food you can think. So you have Arabic food, kebab, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, everything. On the other hand, in Puerto Escondido, you don't have that much choice. It's really limited the amount of food you have. Internet is not so great. You really have to choose carefully your Airbnb because that will play a big role. Oh, I have to say that there is a few co-working space in Puerto Escondido, so it's also possible to work from there. Personally, I prefer Puerto Escondido because it's more quiet. I am so used to Puerto Escondido to chill at the beach. Here you go at the beach, It depends if you come to now in the high season. There's too many people at the beach. Some people, they want nomading and they will also want to do some dating, meet some girl, something like that, whatever. I've been nomading here during many years. I stay maybe 1 month per year here, every year during the low season, doing my work quietly, going at the beach, eating some nice food here. It's okay, but I go more often in Puerto Escondido. So yeah, I've been meeting. You can use app and you can meet some girl or whatever you want to meet. But it's really party people here. The women I met here, they were party women. And party women, they're kind of shallow, always talking about party, drinking some mezcal, and it's not really my type. I believe in Puerto Escondido, I've never met... yeah, I met someone in Puerto Escondido. Puerto Escondido, you meet other type of woman. So that's the main road. I will not stay here because you know it's the music, and maybe you will not hear me talk. Let's go elsewhere. I want to say a word about the strange taxi situation here. So what's going on with the taxi? So depending where you will take your, I will walk faster because the music. Yeah. So depending where you take the taxi, that will like one day the place will change that dramatically. So one day I had to visit friends that live in a fraccionamiento, maybe 30 minutes walking from the center, and maybe in car it's like maybe 5-10 minutes, maybe even less. So I asked the taxi driver in the tourist hub here, around here, and he said it's like 400 pesos. I said, what? That's too expensive, like that's crazy. I'm not going like far away. And then he said that there is a pricing depending where you take the taxi. And he told me just walk one street, and you will pay a different price. And that's what I did. I walked just one street, and the price was like totally different. It was like 50 pesos. Like from 400 you drop to 50 pesos just because one single street. And you need to know those things about that's why I don't take a taxi here, because the price is unreal. Especially, I think since I come here, I've been every year in Playa del Carmen since 2022. I took the taxi only 2 times. When I stay in Playa del Carmen, I usually work from three type of place. I work from a co-working. The co-working I go is near a store called Super Chedraui. You go there and you will see the co-working. I work from Starbucks, but Starbucks, because it's not in the other Starbucks, they're inside the mall. It's kind of a cold and dark, and here you have really good light, and I like a lot of light. And there is another place I go to work, is a specialty coffee, and it's really nice. They make really great coffee. People are fighting there. American fighting. Yeah, there is a few specialty. Wow, the fights are getting serious. So yeah, there are a few specialty coffee if you are really into high quality coffee. I know 2 of them. They're easy to locate near the beach, and I go work from there. You can see many other nomads work there also. It's great. Those places are great. Yeah, that's my little overview of Playa del Carmen. It's really noisy place, music everywhere, lot of people and so on. So if you're the type of nomad that like party, the Caribbean Sea, good infrastructure and a lot of different food, probably Playa del Carmen is a great option. I will go elsewhere because the sound is too loud here. In conclusion, I like Playa del Carmen, especially during the low season, not too many people. You can go in the main road, it will not be like overcrowded. You can go at the beach in the morning, not so many people, and it's great. I like the variety. I like that you can have so many different food here, and also the infrastructure is really good in Playa del Carmen. However, I have to say that I go more often in Puerto Escondido simply because I am based in Mexico, and Puerto Escondido is closer. And generally speaking, the Pacific is more chill. I've been to many places on the Pacific, and they're all more chill than the Caribbean, which is really mass tourism area. Try places like Puerto Escondido, Huatulco, San Pancho. Those are chill, quiet places if that's what you prefer. I will finish the vlog. I have to say that I stay in that building for 1 month. I pay like 1,300 euro. So Playa del Carmen is not a cheap place. It's quite expensive even during the low season. So I pay that price in the low season, but now maybe it's much more. So yeah, you have to think about your budget. Usually you will need a bigger budget if you want to stay on the Caribbean part of Mexico. So let me know in the comment what type of digital nomad are you? What type of place, if you're into the beach place, what type of beach? Party beach town, or surfer beach town, or simply a village, quiet fisher people place? Let me know.